This is to indicate. So only numeric, that means only numeric, numeric. That means 0 to 9, 0 to 9 allowed. Only number allowed. That means nothing other than that is allowed. Allowed. And yes indicates, so blank space allowed. Allowed. S is to allow blank space. To allow a blank space, we use S. And if I want to allow any specific, then you can use in this way. Like actually, you have slash exponent. This indicates starts with dollar. It indicates ends with. That means your expression should start with, your expression should end with. It is defined by using slash exponent and dollar. I will show you one simple point how to handle them. Example I will give you, don't worry. So now important is A hyphen Z. If I write like this, these are all meta characters. That means only uppercase allowed. Uppercase allowed. Allowed. And if I write A hyphen Z, this indicates only lowercase allowed. Lowercase allowed. Allowed. If I write like this, A hyphen Z, or I can write like this, A hyphen Z, A hyphen Z. This indicates both upper and lowercase allowed. Lowercase allowed. Both uppercase and lowercase allowed. That indicates both upper and lowercase allowed. So if we are defining like this 0 hyphen 9, this also only numeric allowed. Only numeric allowed. Allowed. Only number allowed. Nothing else other than that number allowed. If I write like this, A hyphen Z, A hyphen Z, 0 hyphen 9, that indicates alpha numeric. Alpha numeric allowed. Allowed. That means lowercase alphabet, uppercase alphabet, and numbers are allowed. Suppose I defined here. So like this. That means I entered some like this. Right. I'm defining like this, like A, comma, D, comma, S. This indicates only specified characters allowed. Only specified characters allowed. Suppose I return exponent A, comma, D, comma, S. This indicates excluding specified characters. All others allowed. All others allowed. That means only those 3 characters not allowed, others are allowed. Exponent. Remember, it is not slash exponent. If it is slash exponent, then it indicates starts with. If just exponent, this indicates exclude this. If I return like this, A hyphen M, and 4 hyphen 9, that means this indicates only chars in a specified range are allowed. That means your word can contain anything between A to M, lowercase or uppercase, and any number from 4 to 9. It cannot contain anything other than this. That's how we generally represent. And here, so another option is slash plus slash dot slash dollar, right? So slash dollar, so slash ampersand like this. These are used for allow specified special character. They will allow specified special character. If I put them in the square brace, that means allows all special characters defined. Whatever the special characters are defined, it will allow those special characters. So here, one more important is if I write like this, question mark equal dot star in the square brace a hyphen z, this indicates at least, it indicates at least one uppercase letter. Uppercase letter is mandatory. That representation indicates that in your sentence, in your word, whatever you type, in that one uppercase letter is mandatory. Similarly, if I write question mark equal dot star 0 hyphen 9, this indicates at least one numeric value is mandatory. Similarly, question mark equal dot star, so a hyphen z, that means at least one lowercase letter is mandatory. And similarly, if I keep in this way, like question mark equal dot star, and here I write some special characters, this indicates at least one special character is mandatory. These are all the meta characters we need to use in our regular expression. So we have defined the meta characters. I've given you a basic overview of these meta characters. When you are learning JavaScript, when you are learning jQuery, when you are using any technology across the world, including testing also, anywhere, if I have to verify the format of input value, there I need this regular expression. Even if it is Java, .NET, Node.js, Python, anywhere, these regular expressions are same. The patterns are the same. So the basic one example we have done that by using this regular expression is this. This is one regular expression. But remember, here, this is okay for meta characters. But important is we need quantifiers also. Suppose I return a hyphen z. This indicates only uppercase letters. But how many? That means how many uppercase letters are allowed? What uppercase letters are allowed? A to Z, any character. But how many? Actually, if you write like this, that means it indicates only one uppercase letter allowed. That means if I write like this, this indicates uppercase letters, but how many uppercase letters? Only one. That means it can be anything between A to Z, but only one allowed. Either A or B or C or D or E or Z, like that. Only one character is allowed. That means if I write like this, that means they indicate that only one uppercase allowed, only one lowercase allowed, only one numeric allowed, right? Only one allowed, either D or S or A, only one is allowed. Then how we define the quantity? So quantifier is used to define the quantity. That means we need quantifiers also in a regular expression. And what are the quantifiers? And the quantifiers that we need for regular expression. So quantifiers usually written in flower brace, and n refers to number. That means it specifies that. So exactly n number of characters allowed. That means it indicates that exactly n number of characters allowed, not less than or greater than. If I say n comma m, that means minimum n and maximum m. And if I define n comma and without any value, this indicates minimum n, and